Welcome everyone back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be making some breakfast. It's morning now. I have some lovely button mushroom here, and I will take you through the process. If this is the first time you're watching this channel, just let you know you're welcome, and I'm happy to have you. Please do remember to like, share, subscribe. Do leave positive comment. Well, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut these in about 4. You just go ahead and cut them in 4. And also I'll be doing some scrambled egg with this. So it's kind of a full English breakfast. But the only thing depends on how I feel. I might put some sausage in it, but we see how it goes. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. I could leave these whole, but if you leave them whole, it's going to take longer to cook. I'm just going to put them back in the bowl now. You can use a round frying pan or a flat one. I'll be using a bit of garlic in this. I'm going to use half of onion. So getting yourself a wide enough frying pan. I'm going to go in with some olive oil. And I'm going to bring the pot up to temperature. I'll get myself a wooden spoon or a spatula. So in this, I'm going to use a little bit of Himalaya salt in it. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a bit in there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the mushroom in now. So when it's like this, I'm going to give it a bit of toss. You turn them a bit. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to add a bit of butter to it. Add some butter in. So now I'm going to start seasoning a bit. I'm going to add a little bit of all-purpose in it. Bit of black pepper. And then I'm going to add a little bit more salt. So at this point, I'm going to add my onion and garlic in. So I'm going to chop a bit of coriander just to put over it. That should be all right. So now this is ready. Just going to put some coriander over it. Then your mushroom is ready. So we're going to do our scrambled egg now. So we're going to switch. Put our scrambled egg pan on. So the eggs is ready. So I'm going to start the cooking process now. So I'm going to add a bit of oil to this. That should be enough. So I'll be adding a bit of butter in. Now I'll slightly beat the eggs. So we're going to put our eggs in. And I will using a spatula. You just keep turning it. Try when you season this, you season it last. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to remove it off the fire. I'm going to put this there because I'm going to do some hash brown also. I'll be using some hash brown. These you can purchase them. Make sure when you frying these, your oil is hot enough. Otherwise they go very greasy on you. These I'm going to put a bit of salt on them. Here I have a grilled tomato. Just a bit on the side here, like so. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment. So that's my breakfast. Do enjoy it and remember to try this at home also.